Good morning students, welcome back to SEB online class. Let us continue same chapter, same exercise 2.1, sixth sum. The previous class we have studied the denominators with repeated linear factors and non-repeated linear factors. Today we continue the same repeated linear factors. That means the whole cube is given, so this is repeated one. So let the given function equal to a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 2 whole square plus c by x minus 2 whole cube. Okay, now equating the numerator we get, so denominator is x minus 2 whole cube. So a into x minus 2 whole square plus b into x minus 2 plus c. And our left hand side is 2x square minus 5x minus 7 by x minus 2 whole cube, and which gives, eliminating these two denominator we get 2x square minus 5x minus 7 equal to a into x minus 2 whole square plus b into x minus 2 plus c. This is our equation number 2 and this is our equation number 1. Now substituting x is equal to, listen, x minus 2 இருக்குது அப்படினா x plus x is equal to plus 2 substitute பண்றோம். So put x is equal to plus 2 on both side of second equation. We get, substituting here, 2 square become 4 minus 5 into 2 minus 7 is equal to a into 2 minus 2, this become 0 and this term also become 0. So only term c. Here 8 minus 10 minus 7 equal to c. So 8 minus 17 is equal to c. So minus 9 equal to c. Therefore our c value is minus 9. Okay. Next எந்த வேல்யூ வேணா சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். x minus 2 மட்டும் தான் இருந்தது. So we put x is equal to 2 one time. Here after we can use any sufficient value, any convenient value for x. First I am equating the x square term on both sides first. X square term equate பண்றோம். Listen, here x square term is 2x square, ஒரு term தான் இருக்கு. And the right hand side is, if you expand this, we get inside a minus b whole square type நீங்க எழுதுனீங்க அப்படினா x square வரும், x square into a ன்னு கிடைக்கும். So ஒரே ஒரு x square term தான் இங்க இருக்கும். Here x square term இல்ல, அதே மாதிரி c ல இருக்காது. So இங்க ஒரு x square term, left hand side ல இங்க ஒரு x square term மட்டும் இருக்கு. So now we can equating the x square term on both sides of second equation. So we get the left hand side is 2 is equal to a. Okay, so our a value is 2. A value is 2. Next, put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Substituting in second equation we get here 0, 0, minus 7. So our left hand side we have only minus 7 equal to, here put 0. Instead of x put 0, we get minus 2 the whole square. So a into 4. Minus 2 whole square becomes plus 4 and b into 0 minus 2 plus b into minus 2 plus c. Minus 7 is equal to a into 4. Instead of a we use 2. 2 into 4 minus 2b and c value is what? C value is minus 9. C value is minus 9. This one we get 8 minus 2b minus 9. Next I take this 2b left hand side we get, it become 2b plus 2b and it is equal to 8 minus 9 plus 7. Minus 7 goes to that side plus 7. So we get 8 plus 7 is 15 minus 9. We get 2b equal to 6 and b is equal to 6 by 2. Therefore our b value is what? B. Sorry, 3. Now substituting all the three values a, b, c in first equation, we get the answer. Now substituting in the first equation we get this is a question equal to, instead A we use 2 and instead B 3 and instead C we use minus 9 by understood. Next the seventh sum, x square minus 6x plus 2 by x square into x plus 2. Now it is equal to, let the given function equal to a by x. This is repeated one. So a by x plus b by x square and then c by x plus 2. Now x square minus 6x plus 2 by x square x plus 2. Taking this as LCM, x square into x plus 2. Now we get in the numerator a into x into x plus 2. Two terms are missed here, so x into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x plus 2 in the denominator, so the remaining one is x square, so c into x square. Now eliminating the denominator we get x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to ax into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x square. This is our equation number 2 and this is our equation number 1. Now substituting x is equal to 0 in second equation, we get, here we get 0, 0 plus 2. So only 2 in the left hand side is equal to a into 0. The whole term becomes 0 and here c term is 0. Only b term, b into 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2, we get 2 is equal to 2b and which implies b is equal to what? 1. b is equal to 1 we get. Next is substituting x equal minus. So we are having x plus 2 in the denominator, so we put x is equal to minus 2 in the second equation. We get, substitute here, minus 2 whole square becomes plus 4 minus 6 into minus 2 plus 2 equal to this term containing x plus 2. Therefore, this term fully equal to 0 and here also 0 and here c into x square minus 2 the whole square. So you get 4 plus 6 2s are 12 plus 2 equal to c into 4. So you get 12 plus 2, so 18 equal to 4 into c. Therefore c is equal to what? 18 by 4 is equal to 9 by 2. So c value is 9 by 2. Now equating x square term on both sides of second equation we get, equating x square term in second equation we get x square term in different side is only 1 is equal to, here we are having one x square term, is it x into x square into a, so we get a plus, here no x square term in the second, the third term on c is there, c is x square, so take c which is equal to 1 c equal, substituting c value 9 by 2, a plus 9 by 2. So taking this 9 by 2 left hand side we get 2 minus 9 equal to a, which implies a is what? Minus 7 by 2. So our a value is minus 7 by 2. Substituting all the three values in first equation we get the answer. Now substituting in first equation we get, first equation becomes x square minus 6x plus 2 by x square into x plus 2 equal to a is equal to minus 7 by 2 by x plus b is 1 and c is what? C is 9 by 2 by x plus 2 which is equal to minus 7 by 2x plus 1 by x square plus 9 by 2 into x plus 2. This is our answer. Understood? Now we are going to see the third type. That is, denominator contains quadratic factor which cannot be factorized into linear factors. That means 1 by x plus a இது ஒரு linear and this is quadratic ax square plus bx plus c. Suppose it cannot be factorized. Factorize பண்ண முடியல அப்படினா நம்ம numeratorல bx plus c அப்படினு ஏன்னா already a by யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம் a by the first term. So second bx plus c by ax square plus bx plus c. Suppose இப்படி கூட மாத்தி எடுக்கலாம். For example இத first term எடுத்துட்டீங்க அப்படினா ax square plus bx plus c. எதை factorize பண்ண முடியல அதுக்கு நேரா நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க ax plus b எடுத்துட்டு plus c by x plus a அப்படி எழுதலாம். ஓகேவா? இது எங்க எடுத்துட்டீங்களோ அதுக்கு மேல வந்து ஒரு linear factor மாதிரி எழுதணும் ax plus b. செகண்டா வந்துனா bx plus c like that. Here this is the eighth one. X square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. This is linear, but this is quadratic, which cannot be factorized. The factorize பண்ண முடியாது x square plus 1. So in this case, we use x square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to a by the linear term plus bx plus c by x square plus 1. Okay, this is third type. Now taking this as LCM, x square minus 3 divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to x plus 2 x square plus 1 a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. Okay, now eliminating the denominator decay, x square minus 3 equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. So this is our equation number 2 and this is our equation number 1. Now substituting x is equal to minus 2 first. X is equal to minus 2. Substituting here we get in the second equation. Okay. Substituting here we get 4 minus 3. Minus 2 whole square becomes 4 minus 3 equal to this term containing x plus 2. Therefore, this full term becomes 0. So, leave it. Next, substitute here. That means first term ko substitute pannunga. Minus 2 the whole square is 4 plus 1. So, 4 minus 3 is what? 1 equal to 5a. Our a value becomes 1 by 5. Okay. Next, put x is equal to 0. In second equation, we get this one. Second equation is this. So x equal to 0, we get minus 3 in the left hand side equal to a into here 0 plus 1. So we get 1 and here we get b into 0. Is it b into 0 plus c. So 0 plus c into 0 plus 2 is 2. Minus 3 equal to a plus 2c. A plus 2c. Already we find a value 1 by 5. Substitute here 1 by 5 plus 2c. So taking this 1 by 5 left hand side minus 3 minus 1 by 5 equal to 2c. So 5 3s are 15 minus 1 is equal to 2c. So minus 16 by 5 equal to 2c and minus 16 by 5 into bring this 2 left hand side we get 5 into 2 equal to c. So cancelling this we get minus 8 by 5 is c. Therefore our c is what? Minus 8 by 5. Okay. Now equating the x square term on both sides of second equation we get 1 equal to a plus b. Our left hand side x square term is 1. So it is equal to, instead a we find 1 by 5 is in substituting here we get 1 by 5 plus b. Now taking this 1 by 5 left hand side 1 minus 1 by 5 equal to b. Taking 5 as LCM we get 5 minus 1. So 4 by 5 equal to b. So our b value is 4 by 5. Okay. the values in the first equation. Our first equation becomes, question is what? X square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1, which is equal to, first a by x plus 2 is the same. So instead a we use 1 by 5. 1 by 5 divided by x plus 2 plus bx plus c. B equal to 4 by 5 and into x. C is what? Minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5 by x square plus 1. Now taking this 1 by 5 outside. Put in the denominator, we get 5 into x plus 2. This is plus here 4x minus 8. 5 is common, take it outside and put in the denominator, we get this 5 into x square plus 1. Therefore, our answer is x square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 equal to 1 by 5 into x plus 2. Now taking 4 is common, 4x minus 8, 4 is common to both the terms, so taking 4 outside we get x minus 2 by x 5 into x square plus 1. Understood this? Do the homework in the same method and send by 5 p.m. Thank you, students.